How to fix Microsoft Teams not loading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Microsoft Teams not loading on Android phone. First, open settings and here you will find storage. Click on it and then click clean up, and here you will find the junk files or cache. All you need to do here is you need to find your application's cache and then clean it. You will find it here in junk files, or you can find here cache and clean it. Just click clean and that's it. Now go to settings, apps, and then apps again, and then Teams. Now force stop Teams and go back, try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.